Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn more about the basics of JavaScript. First thing is how we can initialize a value to a variable. For example, let value equal to hello world. Let value equal to hello world. Let value equal to hello. If you want to see this in console, what we have to do is console dot log of value. Control save. See here, the output is hello world, which has been displayed in the console. Here, let is the keyword which has been introduced in ES6. Value is the variable and hello world is the value that we have been assigned to it. Value is the variable. This value name is the variable and hello world is the value that has been assigned to the variable, so-called value. For example, let x equal to 23. Console dot log of x. See here, it is 23. We can also write like this. Let y equal to something like JavaScript. We can console dot log of y. We can also write like this. See here, it is JavaScript.
If we write like this, so-called y equal to something like angular console.log of y. See here, what will be the output? Angular. That means we can reassign it. That means we can reassign it. We can use it. Let is the keyword which is a block scope. If we write like this, let something like word equal to something like word equal to cat and word equal to rat, and we are console logging it. We are console logging the word. See what will be the output? It is rat. Console log of word. If we are printing this also, both are printing like that. Here the value is the this value. That means the variable name value is the smallest. It is the variable that we are assigning the value to it. This corresponding value, which is hello world, is the smallest unit of information that we have in the JavaScript. For example, we can say let first name. This is the conventional form. Writing the names in the JavaScript like this is the conventional form, in which first word should be the small letter and the second word should be the capital letter. First name is Anish. First name is Anish. Console.log of first name. That means what I am showing here is, this is the conventional form. Writing the first word in the small letter and the second word in the capital letter is the conventional form. Let's suppose let first name equal to something like John console.log of first name. See here, what we have got, identifier first name has already been declared. That means we have already used identifier. The name first name has been already been used. Again we are using the let keyword. With the let keyword we are using the identifier name, first name. Identifier name is here is the first name, that we are using it again. So for that we have got the error, so called uncaught syntax error. Identifier first name has already been declared. It has already been declared. We can reuse it, we can reassign it like this, but we cannot use like this. For that we have already got error. We can write like this. See here, let last underscore name equal to Mark console.log of last name. Oh, sorry, still this is not removed. Mark. Let my first job, my underscore job. We can write like this. Teacher console.log of my underscore job, teacher. We can also write like this, my dollar my profession equal to programmer. Console.log profession is programmer. We can also write like this. For example, let underscore my job equal to teacher plus programmer. We can also write like this. Teacher, programmer. You can also write like that, but this is not the conventional form. We cannot write like this, job1 equal to this is not the correct way of writing like this. GM, this is not the correct form. Instead of writing like that, we should be it should be in a systematic way. It should be in a conventional way. It should looks good to read. We cannot use the reserved keywords also. For example, let new equal to something like first. We cannot write like that. It shows the error, unexpected token new, because new is the reserved keyword. We cannot write like that. Before variables, we can use the dollar symbol and underscore sign also. We can use both these signs, both these symbols, both these symbols like that. This is all about the assigning values to the variables. These are the different type of examples we have been discussed in this video, as simple as such. Thank you. Thanks for this video.